Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'd like to show you how to get your handbrake working with Need for Speed Heat and hopefully some other games that don't support an external handbrake. So let's get into it. Alright, what we're going to do is go to JoyToKey.net. The link will be in the description. Scroll down to the JoyToKey installer. Download that. Already downloaded it before, so I'm just going to save over it. The user account control on Windows opens, just click yes, accept the license agreement. Next, I would recommend creating a desktop shortcut unless you want to look for it in the start menu. Okay, once installed, click next and launch, so finish. So you'll get a thank you for downloading message, click OK. Okay, so you got joystick 1 and joystick 2. One of them is going to be your steering wheel, one of them is going to be your handbrake. We want to go into settings, configure joysticks. I'm going to go over to number 2, advanced settings. Okay, what I like to do is set the handbrake to joystick 2 and the steering wheel to joystick 1. You want to go back to the handbrake. And when you pull the handbrake, you'll notice slider 1 activates. Okay, you want to change vertical to axis 7. Before you do, just observe stick number 1 is going. You pull the handbrake. Okay. Next, you want to go into joystick 2. Now you'll notice when you're not holding the handbrake, the up position is active. When you pull the handbrake down, down is activated. Okay. So in Need for Speed Heat, the space bar is your handbrake. Okay. So you want to double click, press the space bar. That'll add your spacebar key up to the keyboard emulation. Then click OK. Now last of all, click on Options. Now under Input Processing, you want Reprocess when the same key continues while it's pressed. Make sure that's active. And that's pretty much it. You're ready to play. So we're going to jump into the game and I'll see how it works. Alright, so we're in Need for Speed. Handbrake on. As you'll notice, nothing happens. Let go of the handbrake. And there you go. Handbrake's working just fine. Definitely makes it easier instead of pressing the button. In my opinion, anyway. And although the clutch doesn't work, I like to use it anyway. Just feels a bit better.
I can use that about now.
You and everyone else in this town.
Slam on the handbrake when you're ready. There you go, working like a charm. It's definitely a lot easier, more fun.
Check the map if you can't find your way.
Alright, so that pretty much covers it, guys. Hope you enjoy the tutorial and hopefully it works for you. Have any questions, just let me know down below. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Cheers guys, hope you have a good one.